guys, welcome back. This week our theme is Stars and Stripes in celebration of Independence Day. Just in case you didn't know, Independence Day is celebrated every July 4th. You typically see parades, American flags flying, and fireworks. Today we're going to make a patriotic noisemaker using things that we can find from home. Stay with me. For this craft we're going to use rubbing alcohol, food coloring, some bowls to hold our rice in, plus rice, an empty water bottle with a funnel, a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, measuring cups and measuring spoons, and a tray with a paper towel in it. We're going to start off by dyeing our rice. I'm going to grab 1 cup of rice and we're going to pour it into our Ziploc bag. Next, scoop these in there. We're going to grab our rubbing alcohol and just pour 1 teaspoon inside. The alcohol is going to help the dye spread evenly. So just pour it right on in. Okay, next we're going to add our food dye. You're going to use anywhere between 12 to 15 drops of food dye. Okay, then you're going to seal your Ziploc bag. And push it all around for the color to distribute. Okay. Once you can see in your bag that your color has been distributed, you're going to pour it into the tray. If you set it out in the sun, it should only take about 20 to 30 minutes to dry. Okay. Once your rice has been dyed, we have red, white, and blue. We're going to pour it into our empty bottle. Okay, so let's see. A little bit. All right, now we can add our white. And our red. Once we're done pouring, we put the cap on. And if you want to make your bottle secure, you can always hot glue the cap on. But if not, you can just keep it as so. Now it's time to play with our noisemaker. Now we're going to shake it up. Now your kids can enjoy this while watching their fireworks and making their noise. Thank you guys so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.